In this video, I am going to cover how to create a basic table in Excel. You may place your table anywhere in the spreadsheet. I am going to start my table right here in cell A1. This is just some data on electronics and furniture. Give your table some more structure by adding borders by selecting the data and clicking on the All Borders button. You may also center your data by selecting the Center button. You may also align data to the left or right as well. You can make number formatting adjustments like changing numbers to dollar amounts by selecting that specific data and choosing the dollar formatting button. Make your headers easily identifiable by selecting them, followed by selecting a background color. You can take another approach to creating a table that offers some dynamic properties by inserting a table. To insert a table, select the Insert tab, followed by selecting the Table option. Now, select the range where you want your table to display. I will use the same data from the previous table. With the inserted table, you have some added functionality. If you click on the down arrows in the headers, you can sort by ascending and descending. You may also filter out data. It is possible to sort and filter the table created earlier. You must select the table and click on the Filter button. When tables are inserted, they are given names that you can use to display the data in the table. Just find an area where you would like a table to appear and type equals and the table name. Note that you may have to reformat the data and, in this case, the headers need to be copied over to label the data. To show that the inserted table is dynamic, you can insert a row and see how it affects the duplicated table. You can also insert additional columns that will reflect in the duplicated data. Thanks for watching this video. For articles related to Excel, see the link in the description.